Hi everybody, Tom here and welcome to my channel, The Golden Rant. Okay, hi, today we're going to be talking about Sneak Energy once again and their latest drop, the Legacy Collection, limited edition drop that is already sold out on their website in less than a day. It broke records. But before I tell you more about that, just a little reminder that if you do enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button down below and maybe even that like button next to subscribe. Leave me a comment telling me either you thought it was rubbish or you liked it. Whatever. That'd be really, really helpful. I'm closing in on 50 followers here on YouTube, 50 subscribers, I should say, which is a really big milestone for me personally. I can't wait. So, go be a part of that. It's quite cool. You can also catch me on Twitch, twitch.tv/goldenrant. You can catch me streaming on there and come say hi, chill out, hang out. Just, it's a good time. It's fun. But with that all being said, let's get to it. Let's talk about Sneak Legacy Collection. Okay, the Legacy Collection from Sneak is their latest drop. It kind of celebrates the history of the company, where they came from. So they brought back a bunch of merchandise that has not been available previously. There was a brand new shaker. There was two previously released flavors that have not been available since. One which they sort of credit the taking off of the company with, and then their first ever Black Friday release as well, along with a hoodie, which I didn't get. It wasn't really my style, but I appreciate it all the same. Now, I don't have the collector's box, as that sold out within literally minutes. I was refreshing the webpage, and by 3 minutes past the release date, they were already gone. In fact, Sneak was so surprised by their demand, they actually put out on Twitter a short statement, a little letter, saying that they were overwhelmed by the support, which is awesome for this company to, be breaking their own records. It just says, good things ahead for Sneak. Okay, so funny things happened in my editing. I knocked my mic and turned the mic off. So we're going to do that again. Sorry about that. So I have already now tried a little bit of our Sneak flavors. So the one I've got here is the Unreleased. All right. And I'll tell you what, this is something else. It's kind of a strawberry, watermelon-y, limey sort of flavor. You can see that coloring in there. That is top tier flavoring. Sneak, well done. That is amazing. That is such a shame if that is a limited drop and if you haven't picked one up, you're not going to be able to get it. That is incredible. They should definitely bring that back as like a celebration or something. I don't think the products have launched in the EU yet, so maybe keep your eyes on the EU store. You might be able to pick something up that way. I also want to mention whilst I'm at it that this shaker is the Legacy Collection shaker. It is glow in the dark, which you can kind of just see with the label a bit and things here in the video, but playing over my shoulder is the actual video they released showing that. It's really cool. It's not usually a design that I would go for. I usually prefer slightly cleaner, sharper kind of designs, but do you know what? I do quite like that one. It'll be a fun one for me to have here at home. So, I get to have shakers for all kinds of different purposes now, which is awesome. So yeah, the shaker I think is still available. So if you like it, go buy it. Glow in the dark. It's cool. So then we've got Blackout. All right, Blackout, which, there you go, you can see sort of a purple. It smells kind of licoricey, I would say. All right, I've given it a shake there. All right. So we're going to give this a try. I haven't tried this one yet. Okay, so it smells not that there's still a hint of licorice, but I'd say almost blackcurranty. Quite a sharp blackcurrant. Blackout. Makes sense. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that's different. That's a lot smoother than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a sharp flavour to bite at me, but okay, so there's a blackcurrantiness in it, or blackberries, or something like that. There's a hint of licorice. I'm not a licorice fan, but it's just enough in there that it's actually really nice. That's really good. That is really, really good. I really enjoy that. Okay, so out of the two, I'd definitely say my favourite is the Unreleased. If you get a chance to pick this thing up, do it. Don't hesitate, buy it. Get it. That is top tier, god tier. And the Blackout's really, really, really good as well. I would choose Unreleased over Blackout, but you know what? They are both fantastic, amazing, great. Sneak, huge well done. Congratulations on the super launch. That's really, really exciting for you guys. I can't wait to buy more of your products going forwards. So, you know, I really look forward to that. And thank you to all of you who have watched the video. Just a reminder, if you liked it, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that like next to subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what a muppet I am for pressing mute on the microphone, having to redo part of this video. Whilst you're at it, maybe head over to twitch.tv/goldenrant. Come tell me in person what a muppet I am for pressing mute on the microphone. And hang out, have a good time over there. That'd be really cool too. But otherwise, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. I can't wait for whatever Sneak do next. Awesome. Great job. Well done, Sneak. Bravo. See you next time. Bye.